guys, and welcome to Make Easy. And today I'll show you how to build a multi-step form in Ruby and Rails with a jQuery plugin. So I'll show you the demo of it. And in my first screen there is a one input field, so called enter courses. So if you click on it, OK, it will take you to the next screen. So like you can check all these check boxes, and also you can submit form. You can also go previous and the next. At the first time these two things are hide, right? So like so here I'm using the plugin called slider form. I'll place the link in the description. So first that in this we need to add a slider form.css and slider form.js. So these two files we can get it from GitHub. So slider form there you can see in the dist. So this is CSS and JS. We can get JS and CSS files from there. And after that, so I was added these all the forms. So I was added these inside vendor folder. So you can have a look at those, like inside vendor assets, JavaScript, slider form, and inside style sheets we can see .css file. So now these are importing in my layout file. So you can see in assets, in JavaScript and application.js, here I'm importing slider form jQuery slide form. So jQuery dot slide form, and inside style sheet and application.css I was imported slider form slash and slider form.css. Slide form.css, right? So after that I created a simple view for this. So in my home file, the home home.html.erb, so there I was added a form. So you can see form, and so you can ask, I copied this piece of HTML code from plugin. So you just copy this piece of code. It need wrapper, like it needs few classes like slide form wrapper and slide form slide. These two classes it must be needed for this plugin. And also it need a footer. The footer that we can see, right, the next and previous. So these things. So I was added footer also. You can have a look at that footer. And after that we need to call this JavaScript. We need to call this script, right? So like it's quite simple that you just call form dot slide form. So that is already I was did. So you can have a look at there inside that form dot slide form. And also I added a buttons, so you can give the next button text and the previous button text and the submit button text. Like if I change to something called enter, something like enter, so it got changed over here. That's it. You can also go through with the plugin. We can also add validations to our form, and also we can send an API request and all. And thank you guys, and thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to Make Easy. Thank you.